Hi, it's Jeff again with Family Legacy Estate Sale. We're digging into yet another box from this big collection we just obtained. All the items you'll see on this video are going to be for sale on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. If you like our videos, you can subscribe to us on YouTube or our Facebook page. So let's dig right in and see what we've got here in this most recent bin full of toys. This, I'm not sure the exact line, it says Sunny on it. But this looks very, very much like a 1970s toy that was made, it was released in the US called Micronauts. And it's based upon a Japanese toy from the earlier 70s, like 1974, I want to say. Micronauts were around, I think, from like 1977 to 1981 in the US. I've heard that they've re-released some of them. And I'm wondering that this might be one of those. Everything in here is pretty much in Japanese, so I can't read it. But be anxious to see what that is. All right, so what else have we got here? We have a carded Real Ghostbusters monster figure, a mummy. Looks like it's got a little bit of a loose bubble, but it is an original 1986 Real Ghostbusters carded figure. So that's very cool. We've got another one here too, it looks like. And this is a Fright Features, also I think that's 1986. But this one, the card is absolutely beautiful. It's unpunched. There's no wear on it. It's no curl, no creases. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's raised stance. So that's a real nice piece right there. You don't see them in that kind of condition very often. I'm going to put that right back in that bubble wrap. Let's see what else we have. Got some envelopes here. And they look like they're card backs. Real Ghostbusters card backs. Louis Tully. Raised stance. This is from '86 also. Screamin' Heroes. Raised stance also. And let's see what's in here. Nothing, that's just cardboard. So we got some nice card backs. I don't know that they're collected like the Star Wars card backs are collected, but be able to do something with those. There's a Legacy Collection Star Wars figure, Quarren Soldier. Got a little mix of a few things in here. And then we've got a Black Series Phase 1 Clone Trooper from Attack of the Clones movie. And then a new sealed in box, something called a Scope Dog. Arctic Bear. Made by Takara. That's a real famous toy manufacturer. I'm guessing, I don't know what that is exactly, but I'm guessing that's maybe from a video game. And then we have another carded Real Ghostbusters figure. And this is Screamin' Heroes Janine Melnitz. As a general rule, female figures tend to be a little bit more expensive than the males, just because I don't think they made them for the boys in the same quantities. So we'll have to look at that one. Then we have a Power Rangers Dino Supercharge figure, and this is from 2016. So that's a nice detailed toy. And then we have some Disney Muppets figures. We've got Dr. Teeth and Zoot. Looks like they're band members. And we've got Floyd and Janice. And then finally we have Animal. And it looks like that's probably the entire band. Yeah, it looks like that's the entire band, so might sell that as a set. We'll see. And the last thing in this bin is a Predator collection figure, 7-inch figure from 2021, Lennard Toys. Not really familiar with Lennard Toys, but this is very, very detailed. And it looks like it was a Walmart exclusive. So we'll see what that goes for. So anyway, these are all going to be on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. And again, tune into more of our videos either on our Facebook page or YouTube channel. And we'll be looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye.